Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on Microsoft Outlook Web App, also known as OWA or Webmail. This is a fully functional, web-based Outlook application that responds in the same way as a desktop application. To access the login page, simply open a browser and type in the URL mail.kmc.org. This can be done in almost any internet browser, such as Internet Explorer, shown here, Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari, or many others. At the login page, you will enter in your Windows login, followed by your Windows password. If you do not know your login information, please contact the help desk. Upon login, you will see OWA opens to the Mail page with the Mail view selected. This is default. On the left is the folder pane, which will display your favorites, your current mailbox with your name, and your personal archive. Each of these panes, the folder pane, the message pane, and the detail or reading pane, can be expanded and contracted by clicking and moving the pane. There's search functionality to be able to search the entire mailbox, or click the double carets to specify specific search input. You can click on New to create a new message or meeting request, delete or ignore a conversation, move the selected message to or copy to a folder. You may also change your filter or view settings here. At the top, you also see where you can sign out. You will see your name. You will see an options drop-down. You will see the help button. You will also see any reminders for your calendar. Here you can have them remind you. You may snooze, open, or dismiss an item. This one I'll snooze and it'll pop back up in a bit. Here is our list of email selected in our inbox. We can also click on drafts or sent items to view items we have sent, or deleted items to view items we've deleted. In our inbox, if we're using conversation view, we can click the triangle next to an email message to view the first email and my reply in that conversation. This helps to keep information, responses to a specific email all in one place and easy to find. When an email message is selected, you can reply all, or forward using these three buttons at the top, as well as perform additional actions by clicking on the Actions drop-down. In the bottom left-hand corner of Outlook Web App, or OWA, is the View selector. You may choose to view email, calendar, contacts, or tasks. Let's switch to the calendar view. In the calendar view, as you can see, we have the calendar pane. We have the actual details of the calendar view selected. And if we have a specific day or calendar item selected, it will show us the details of that item. Here we can create new appointments or items that we would like on our calendar but we may not invite others to, or meeting requests where we can request a meeting and put items on others' calendars upon their acceptance. We can delete. We can specifically go to today if we've selected a different date. Click there to go to today. We can also change the view to the day, the work week, the entire week, or the month view. We may also click to share our calendar with others, change our permission, or add another user's calendar to our list. This will display the other user's calendar here. If we have permissions, upon selecting their calendar, we will be able to see their general schedule. In this case, I do not have permissions to this user's calendar beyond free or busy information. Let's click on the Contacts view. The Contacts view will list individual contacts and groups. When selected, the group or individual details will be listed to the right of the contacts. The same search functionality as we saw in the Mail pane exists in Contacts as it does in Mail or Tasks. The Tasks view shows all the tasks completed or not completed, flagged or not flagged. On the left, you may select all flagged tasks or other lists of tasks that exist. When a task is selected, it will show in the details. As seen before, the same search functionality exists for tasks as for contacts and mail. From any of the views, there's my reminder, for any of the views you will see the options drop down, the top right-hand corner. Upon clicking that, we have several quick links to set automatic replies or out of office, change your password, or create an inbox rule. These are shortcut items to ones we can see in all options. On selecting See All Options, I have several selections along the left-hand side, and upon selecting those, we'll have several tabs across the top. To return to the Mail, I can simply click the Mail button in the upper left-hand corner to return back to my Mail view. In the Options tab, it will default to My Account and show your account information. You may edit your account information as permitted by a system administrator. This can include setting your address or mobile numbers. In the Organize Email view, we may add or edit or view inbox rules. Inbox rules are going to be run each time a message comes in to the inbox. Automatic replies or out of offices may also be set up here and can be changed based on whether the sender of the email that we will send an automatic reply to is inside or outside of the organization. We may also choose to send a start and end time so that it will automatically turn on and off our automatic replies based on when we know we will be out of the office. We may also click Delivery Reports to view specific information about sent and received items in our mailbox. The Groups section allows us to view groups that the user belongs to. The user can also select to join other groups available, assuming the administrator has given them permission to join or approves their request. The Settings tab allows personal control over the view and interaction of the mailbox. This is also where a user can change their password. The Mail tab contains signature configuration and OWA appearance and protocol handling options such as read receipts. The Calendar tab gives the user control on how the calendar is displayed and how aspects such as reminders and auto-processing of request notifications are handled. The General tab contains options for accessibility and also name resolution handling for contacts. The name resolution automatically fills out the name and email address of a recipient of any users that have been typed into the send to or recipient field in an email. The Sent Items allows you to choose whether messages can be sent by someone else on your behalf and if they will appear in the Sent Items folder. Regional settings allow you to change your language preference as well as date and time formats and time zone. The Password tab allows the user to change their Windows account password. Just enter the old password, followed by the new one, confirm the new one, and click Save. Note, the new password must meet the current security requirements for Windows. The Block or Allow section in the Options pane allows users to allow or deny all mail from specific email addresses, as well as options to handle personal contacts. Users can add or remove addresses in this list, and it will only impact those users. For any additional information on these items or any other items in Outlook web app, simply click on the Help button for a help section to display. When completed in Outlook web app, please click on the Sign Out button and then close the window. This concludes the introduction to Outlook web app.